Hey guys, welcome back to Craftsmas. In today's video, I'll be showing you my Shoppie doll collection. So without further ado, let's get to it. We have Donatina, Sarah, who is now Celius because we turned her into a boy because she has broken parts, so we want to reuse her ever since we replaced her. Pancake, we want to replace her too because she's such a nice doll. However, she doesn't really have a replacement doll that's still available. So yeah. Okay, next up, Kirsty. I got her for Christmas. Kirsty is one of my favorites. Peppermint. So Peppermint is my favorite type of Peppermint just because she looks a lot like what Peppermint's personality is. So yeah. Next up we have Rainbow Cake. Her hair is in pretty bad condition. We're working on it though, because some of these dolls are really old, so their hair condition's bad. She also has the broken arms, sadly. Okay, next is Macy. Marsha, she has really bad hair condition. Spags, or Spaghetti Sue, I just made a nickname for her. I don't know where I got the nickname from. I was combining spaghetti and yet to Spags basically, because like short for spaghetti or Spaghetti Sue. Coralie, Jessie Cake, Tippy, who's Kirsty's official sister, Gemma, Chandelier, Sandy. I actually unboxed her and Chandelier on my channel, so go check that out in the eye. Lippy Lulu, my latest doll, Angelique, Summer Peaches, Palmy, Jacinta, Mia Milk, Skyana or Skyana, she's from the airplane, Pinky Cola, oh, this is actually our latest doll. Oh, Sarah's replacement, which is Sarah Sushi. However, the actual doll's name is Coco, not Coconut, or Sarah Sushi. Tia, and I think those are all my dolls. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Bye!